Hello everyone, welcome back to Maths class, chapter 9 matrices, the second part of introduction. Transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix is the matrix obtained on interchanging its rows and columns. Observe the given example here. If A is equal to 1, 2, 7, 8 and 5, 6, here this matrix is of the order 3 by 2. That means there are three rows and 2 columns. How to find out its transpose? Transpose will be indicated as A dash. The dash represents it is converted into its transpose. So the first column is 175. It should be written as the first row, that is 175. The second column 286 is considered as second row. So the column is converted into row, or we can say the row is converted into columns. Hence we can say that transpose of a matrix is the matrix obtained on interchanging its rows and columns. Equality of matrices. Two matrices are said to be equal if both the matrices have the same order and the corresponding elements of both the matrices are equal. Here, to say it as the matrices are equal, there should be two conditions should be fulfilled. The first condition is both the given matrices should be of the same order and the corresponding elements should also be the same. So consider this example here. The matrices A is of the order 2 by 3, 2 rows, 3 columns, and the matrix B is also of the order 2 by 3, 2 rows and 3 columns. Hence the first condition is satisfied, that both the matrices are of the same order. What is the second condition? Corresponding elements. That means, observe here, in the first row we have the elements 4, 9, 8. Similar elements should be there in the first row of the matrix B, that is 4, 9, 8. The second row 1, 5, 6, here also 1, 5, 6. Hence we can say that matrix A is equal to matrix B. Addition of matrices. Two matrices can be added together if they are of the same order. Try to concentrate on the conditions, children. Whenever we need to add two matrices, the first condition should be satisfied that the given matrices should be of the same order. Consider this example. The matrix A is of the order 2 by 3 and the matrix B is of the order 2 by 3. Let us add these two matrices A and B, A plus B. Just observe how the elements are shown here. You can identify the color differentiation in the color also. The first element of matrix A is 4. It is added with the first element in the matrix B. So it is 4 plus 2. The first element in the second element in the first row of matrix A is 2 and the second element in the matrix B of the first row is 1. That is 2 plus 1, 3. And the third element in the first row of matrix A is 8 and the third element in the set matrix B of the first row is 3. 8 plus 3 is 11. So in the similar manner, each element, the corresponding elements should be added to get the sum of the given matrix. In this case, sum of the matrices A plus B will be equal to 6, 3, 11, 4, 4, 12. Observe here, 4 plus 2, 6, 2 plus 1, 3, 8 plus 3, 11, 1 plus 3, 4, 3 plus 1, 4, 6 plus 6, 12. Subtraction of matrices. In the similar manner, how we did addition, here also two matrices can be subtracted if they are of the same order. Consider the example of matrix A and B. Both are of the same order 2 by 3. So let us subtract the corresponding elements. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 8 minus 3 is 5. 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 6 minus 6 is 0. This is the difference between the given two matrices. Let us move on to solve the exercise problems. Exercise 9A, question number 2. It is given two matrices are said to be equal. The is equal to sign says that they are equal. So the condition is also satisfied. We can observe by a glance. This matrix is of the order 2 by 2. This matrix is also of the order 2 by 2. Let us equate the elements. The first element x is equal to 3. So we can say that value of x is 3. In the second element, y plus 2. What is the corresponding element here? It is 1. So y plus 2 is equal to 1. Hence y is equal to 1 minus 2. Value of y is minus 1. And the third element is 3. Here also the corresponding element is 3, which are equal. The fourth element, z minus 1 is equal to 2. Hence z will be equal to 2 plus 1 and the value of z is 3. Therefore, x is 3, y is minus 1, z is 3. You can just cross check here. In the place of x it is 3. In the place of y, if you substitute, it is minus 1. 2 minus 1 will be equal to 1. Z is 3. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Question number 3. Here we need to solve the values of A, B and C. Here also we have given two matrices which are said to be equal here. The order is same. 2 by 2, 2 by 2. 2 rows, 2 columns. It is given in the question that these two matrices are equal. So we can equate the corresponding elements. Let us consider the first one. Here it is minus 4. Here it is B plus 4. So write down as B plus 4 is equal to minus 4. B is equal to minus 4 minus 4. Hence the value of B is minus 8. Move on to the second element. A plus 5 is equal to 2. A plus 5 is equal to 2. A is equal to 2 minus 5. Hence the value of A is minus 3. The third element is 3. Here also the third element is 3. Let us move on to the fourth element. Here it is 2. Here it is C minus 1. C minus 1 is equal to 2. Hence value of C is equal to 2 plus 1. The value of C is 3. Therefore, we can say that A is minus 3, B is minus 8 and C is equal to 3. After finding out the values, you can just replace and cross check whether all the elements of the given two matrices are same or not. The sub question of question number 3. In this case also we need to find the value of A, B and C. Let us start equating the elements as they are of the same order 2 by 2. First term, value of A is equal to 3. Second term, A minus B is equal to minus 1. So what we have calculated in the first step, that value of A is 3, try to substitute for the second step. Hence 3 minus B is equal to minus 1. We can say that B is 3 plus 1, value of B will be equal to 4. Let us move on to the third element. It is B plus C is equal to 2. So in this case also, substitute the value of B, what you have calculated in step 2. It is 4 plus C is equal to 2. C is equal to 2 minus 4. This value is equal to minus 2. The fourth elements in both the matrices are 0. So hence the value of A is 3, B is 4 and C is minus 2. In question number 4, we need to find the sum of given two matrices. Find A plus B. So before we go with the addition of matrices, what is the condition? That the given matrices should be of the same order. This is of the order 1 by 2, 1 row, 2 columns. This is also of the order 1 by 2, 1 row, 2 columns. So let us start adding each element. It is necessary to write down all these steps. Please do not brief your answers. Step by step marks will be given during the examination while evaluation. Even though it is simple calculation, please do not skip any of the steps. It is necessary and compulsory to write all the steps in detail. So let us mark down this A plus B. Consider the matrix A plus and matrix B. Now start adding each element. 8 plus 4, it leads to 12. And the second element, minus 3 plus of minus 5. Minus 3 plus of minus 5 is minus 3 minus 5. Hence it is minus 8. Sum of A plus B is equal to 12 minus 8. Here one more thing you can note down, children. After finding out the sum of the given matrices, the results what you are going to obtain, it will also be in the same order. Observe here, matrix A is of the order 1 by 2, matrix B is of the order 1 by 2, and matrix A plus B is also of the order 1 by 2. The second sub question, we need to calculate B minus A. So the condition is same that given matrices should be of the same order. Of course, A and B are of the same order. So consider the matrix B first, that is 4 and minus 5 minus of the elements of A. Let us start subtracting each corresponding elements here. 4 minus 8, that is minus 4. Minus 5 minus of minus 3. Minus of minus 3 will leads to plus 3. So minus 5 plus 3 is equal to minus 2. This is the difference of A and B, that is B minus A. In subtraction also, the given matrices and the difference will be of the same order. In question number 5, it is asked to calculate, there are three matrices are given A, B and C. We need to find out B plus C as the first one. So consider the matrix B, it is of the order 2 by 1, 2 rows, 1 column. And matrix C is also of the order 2 rows and 1 column. Let us add the corresponding elements. 1 plus 6 is 7, 4 plus of minus 2 is 2. Hence, the resulting matrix is also of the order 2 by 1. The order is very much important to note down. In the second sub question, we need to calculate A minus C. So consider the matrix A, which is of order 2 by 1. Consider the matrix C, which is also of the order 2 by 1. Now we can subtract the corresponding elements. 2 minus 6 minus 4, 5 minus of minus 2. Minus of minus 2 is plus 2. So 5 plus 2 will be equal to 7. The sub question 3, it says to calculate A plus B minus C. This can be done in 2 steps or we can take it in a single step also. Consider the matrix A, consider the matrix B and matrix C. Of course, all the three matrices are of the same order 2 by 1. That is 2 rows, 1 column. Start adding and subtracting each element according to the given condition. A plus B minus C. So it is 2 plus 1 minus 6. And the second element 5 plus 4 minus of minus 2. So the first element simplification 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 minus 6 is minus 3. And the second one 5 plus 4 is 9, minus of minus 2 is plus 2. Hence 9 plus 2 will be equal to 11. In this case also you can observe children, the resulting matrix will also be of the same order 2 by 1. 2 rows, 1 column. The fourth sub question of question number 5. Here we need to calculate the value of A minus B plus C. Consider matrix A minus matrix B plus matrix C. A minus B plus C. So it is 2 minus 1 plus 6, 5 minus 4 plus of minus 2. 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 plus 6 is 7. 5 minus 4 is 1, 1 plus of minus 2 is minus 1. You can note down here also children, the resulting matrix is also of the same order 2 by 1. 2 rows, 1 column. By this we have completed the first 5 problems of exercise. Thank you children. Have a nice day.